Welcome, friends. Today, we're going to talk about 5 amazing tools that every handyman, craftsman, or DIY enthusiast would undoubtedly want to have. These clever and efficient tools will become your indispensable companions in a variety of projects. Are you ready to find out what these tools are and why they'll become an integral part of your workshop? Well then, let's get started. Discover the perfect gift with our LED flashlight gloves, a unique and practical choice for both men and women. Ideal for various activities such as fishing, hiking, or running at night. These waterproof gloves provide a hands-free lighting solution. The adjustable strap ensures a comfortable fit for all hand sizes, making it a versatile gift for dad, mom, husband, or DIY enthusiasts on special occasions like Father's Day, Mother's Day, birthdays, or Christmas. Crafted from breathable, soft fabric, these gloves offer year-round comfort. The package includes 1 pair of flashlight gloves, batteries installed, 1 screwdriver, and an extra set of 4 CR2016 button batteries, ensuring your loved ones are well equipped for any adventure. Introducing our windproof lighter watch, a sleek and functional accessory for men. This unique design not only serves as a windproof lighter, but also doubles as a cool and stylish watch. With USB charging convenience, you can easily charge it anywhere without the need for battery replacements. The watch face has a diameter of 4.5 centimeters, and the watch band width is 2.2 centimeters, providing a bold yet comfortable fit, packaged in a stylish gift box. It's the perfect gift for men who appreciate both functionality and style. Stay prepared and look cool with this multifunctional windproof lighter watch. Introducing the steel carabiner light kicking clip, a robust and durable travel accessory for outdoor enthusiasts. With high load-bearing capacity, it securely holds keys, tools, flashlights, or small bags. The auto-locking, one-hand operation ensures convenience, and the D-shaped locking design adds versatility and safety. Perfect for daily use, camping, hiking, or as a keyring, this compact carabiner is a reliable companion for your adventurous spirit. The Lansky sharpening system stands as a testament to over 35 years of excellence, catering to the needs of outdoor, kitchen, and workshop knives. Boasting the widest array of accessories, Lansky ensures your blades stay at their best. The controlled angle system is the key player, maintaining angle constancy for a professional, razor-sharp edge, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. Embrace the ultimate in knife sharpening technology with the original and legendary controlled angle system by Lansky. Explore our Gifts for Men collection with the 12-in-1 rack multi-tool hammer, packed with essential gadgets, including a hammer, pliers, knife, and more. It's the perfect gift for dads, husbands, or DIY enthusiasts. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, this compact and lightweight tool is a versatile companion for outdoor adventures or everyday tasks. With safety features and a sleek design, it's a must-have addition to any tool collection, ensuring you're prepared for anything, anytime. Dimensions: 5.5x to 0.75. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these amazing tools, make sure to check the affiliate links in the video description for additional information or to make a purchase. Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more exciting tool reviews. Your comments and support mean a lot to us. Thanks for joining, and see you.